Hi kids and parents. Welcome to Ngokme Kids. Let's learn together. Where's the sun during the day? Where's the sun during the day? Where is the cup on the table? Where is the cup on the table? Where is your school? Where is your school? Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? Where are Grandma and Grandpa? Where are Grandma and Grandpa? Where is the book? Where is the book? Where are you in this picture? Where are you in this picture? Where is the table? Where is the table? Where are your toys? Where are your toys? Where is the cat? Where is the cat? What do you bring to school? What do you bring to school? What glows at night? What glows at night? What is your toy? What is your toy? What is soft and warm? What is soft and warm? What do you like the most? What do you like the most? What is in this box? What is in this box? What is flying in the sky? What is flying in the sky? What did you eat this morning? What did you eat this morning? What says meow meow? What says meow meow? What is red? What is red? Who tells funny stories? Who tells funny stories? Who helps Mom clean the table? Who helps Mom clean the table? Who drew the beautiful picture? Who drew the beautiful picture? Who is cooking today? Who is cooking today? Who is visiting our house? Who is visiting our house? Who is holding the ball? Who is holding the ball? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Who helps you tie your shoes? Who helps you tie your shoes? Who is playing outside? Who is playing outside? Who is your friend? Who is your friend? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time. Goodbye.